That's snow blowing everywhere, and then we look outside at our sky cam and it's clear blue beautiful skies.
And it's going to go like that in waves as we go through the afternoon. That first one came into downtown, and I think everybody in the building was like, Randy, look outside. It went, you couldn't see downtown.
You're like, right, I predicted this.
You're like, after 10 a.m., yes, this is the time it was supposed to happen. So brief reductions in visibility are going to be likely. Once the sun goes down, that snow that might coat the ground and then melt away, it's going to stick a little bit longer.
More,
and if the road crews haven't pre-treated that road, it will stick. So here's the deal. These bursts come through at such a heavy rate that occasionally they do overcome the pavement temperature, and you see it stick to the road, and then as it moves out, it melts away. We're going to see repeated rounds of these as we go through the afternoon, so let's take a look at where some of that snow is flying. We're going to start out here closer to the west side, so areas like Cleves, in through Cheviot, Delhi, kind of on the leading edge of that snow. It's working its way toward Villa Hills, crossing over the airport right now on the 275 loop. As we go further east, this is the batch that was over top of downtown, really reducing visibility for about a 10 to 15 minute period there. Right now, it's right along Route 62. So areas from Hillsborough south into Newmarket, Winchester, seeing that reduction in visibility. So if you are traveling on a road where speed limit's pretty high, you could really possibly go into an area where it's looking at nice and sunny, and then you turn a corner and you've got reduced visibility. So be aware of that as we go through the afternoon. Those brief reductions in visibility are going to be likely. We also see snow showers south of Falmouth and then east into areas of Bracken County down toward Brooksville. As we look at a whole, you can see this snow machine still churning off of Lake Michigan, bringing those rounds of snow into our area. So this is going to be common for us off and on as we go through the afternoon. And you can see the strong winds that are accompanying this as well. So our wind speeds are going to be picking up in through kind of the heart of the afternoon. Now, the good news here is, though there may briefly be some snow that sticks, it does melt away, and the roads are just wet across our region. You have to head north of Indy and up toward Fort Wayne before you see any snow-covered roads. So as our temperatures dip, it's going to kind of coincide with sunset. Just so happens that our temperature will drop below 32 degrees right around when the sun goes down, and that's when you could see a little more prolonged sticking of the snow to the roads. Futurecast showing through the afternoon over the next couple of hours, repeated bursts of snow. Again, you look outside, the visibility is down. As we go into the evening hours, I do think areas generally to the east and northeast of Cincinnati will probably see them a little bit longer into the evening. Be aware we have the winter weather advisory in effect until 1 a.m., but there is the potential a snow squall warning could be issued. And basically, those are short-lived events. Typically, a snow squall warning would be for about 30 minutes or so. And if you don't have to go outside, don't. Stay inside. Don't go on the roads during those because of that reduced visibility. Travel can be treacherous and the road conditions can vary over a very short distance. Okay, taking a look into the evening, you can see that snow does generally fade away just a little bit after sunset. Between about 5 and 7 p.m., most towns will be done with seeing any snow, aside from a couple of lingering flurries into the late overnight. So through the afternoon, bursts of snow and wind, brief reductions in visibility. If the road gets coated, it'll melt away. In the evening, once we go below 32 degrees, that's when you really need to watch, especially those raised roads, the bridges, the overpasses, and also obviously the combination of wind could reduce visibility as the snow is falling. Overnight, the snow showers exit, the clouds clear out. Right now, we're sitting at 34 degrees. Let's check out those wind gusts. At the moment, 31 miles per hour. Your sustained winds, 18. Visibility at the airport now, 7 miles. So temperatures keep on falling over the next several hours, and eventually we drop below freezing by about the 4 o'clock hour. Your 7-day forecast shows after today's weather impact day, we drop down to 22 degrees tonight, a chilly but sunny day tomorrow, and then a warm up late in the week. If you're looking toward Friday and Saturday, rain showers as the warm air moves in. Christmas Eve on Sunday, upper 50s, probably more the same on Christmas Day.
Okay, Randy, thank you. Creating happy memories for the holidays for hundreds of kids. How much a local organization's outreach has grown